This factory turns the world's largest fruit into a crispy snack.
The process begins with the arrival of raw, mature jackfruit.
On it. Each fruit can weigh over 50 pounds, requiring strong hands.
Only firm raw fruit makes the perfect crunchy chip. The spiky skin must be thoroughly cleaned of field dust. Jackfruit sap is incredibly sticky, so oil is used as protection. Splitting the fruit reveals the golden pods inside. The inedible core is removed to access the fruit bulbs. Managing the latex sap is the hardest part of process.
Extracting the bulbs is a labor-intensive process done by hand.
The seeds are removed, leaving only the flesh for frying.
Only firm and unblemished bulbs move forward to the slicer. A second wash ensures the fruit flesh is perfectly clean.
The slicer cuts the fruit into uniform, thin strips for even frying.
Consistent thickness is key to a uniform crunch. Turmeric adds a golden color and acts as a natural preservative.
Soaking in salt water infuses flavor before cooking.
Excess water must be removed to prevent oil splatter.
Surface drying reduces the frying time significantly.
The oil must be hot enough to crisp the fruit instantly.
Coconut oil is the traditional choice for authentic flavor.
The fruit hits the oil and begins to transform immediately.
The moisture evaporates rapidly, creating the crispy texture.
Constant motion ensures every chip cooks evenly. Vacuum frying retains more natural color and nutrients. The perfect chip breaks with a sharp snap.
The chips emerge golden brown and fully cooked.
Removing excess oil keeps the snack light and healthy.
Spinning the chips drives out the remaining oil.
Chips must cool down completely to become crispy.
Overcooked chips are bitter and must be removed.
Seasoning is tumbled onto the chips for even coverage.
Different markets prefer different spice levels.
Scientific testing ensures the crunch is satisfying.
Low moisture prevents the chips from going stale.
Computer scales weigh the chips faster than any human. The machine forms the bag from a continuous roll of film. Nitrogen displaces oxygen to keep the chips fresh.
Gravity fills the bags before they are instantly sealed.
A tight seal is the guarantee of freshness.
Tracking codes allow the factory to monitor every batch. Safety scans ensure no foreign objects are inside.
Every customer gets the exact weight promised on the label.
Annual packing allows for a final visual inspection.
Boxes are sealed and ready for the warehouse. Stable pallets prevent damage during long transport.
Wrapping secures the load for the journey to the store. The warehouse stores thousands of boxes ready for export.
The chips are shipped to supermarkets around the world.
The inedible parts are recycled, so nothing is wasted.
Hygiene is critical in food processing plants.
The paperwork. Filtering the oil maintains the quality of the fry.
Thanks, Bhavapna. Skilled workers are the heart of the operation.
The product finally reaches the retail shelf.
Consumers love the simple, natural ingredients.
The smell of sweet fried fruit is released.
The texture is harder than a potato chip, but just as crispy.
Jackfruit is a healthy alternative to traditional snacks.
Producing snacks from nature's bounty. Thanks for watching how jackfruit becomes a chip.